Welcome back to Jet Set Explore Hub, your go-to destination for navigating the globe with ease and confidence. Today, we're diving into a traveler's worst nightmare: lost and delayed luggage. Imagine this: you've just touched down in your dream location, but your luggage hasn't. The excitement of exploring new horizons quickly turns into a stressful ordeal. But fear not, fellow wanderers, because we're here to arm you with the ultimate guide to not just surviving, but thriving through these luggage mishaps. Stay with us as we unpack, pun intended, every bit of information you need to know. So, your bag is missing. What do you do now? Don't panic, it's common. The key lies in prompt action. First, report it to the customer service desk near the baggage claim area. Do this before leaving the airport to ensure they take responsibility. Then, fill out a property irregularity report, PIR, detailing your flight, luggage, and contact information. Every little detail, even the color and size of your bag, can assist the airline in locating it. Keep all documents related to your travel as well as a copy of the PIR. They will serve as proof if you need to lodge a claim. Ask about their delayed luggage policies. Some airlines may have allowances for necessary purchases. Keep receipts for any such purchases. Patience and persistence play a significant role in this process. Keep checking with the airline for updates. Swift action and decisiveness set the wheels in motion for the airline to start tracking it down. So, stay calm, act promptly, and you'll be on the path to a resolution. After the initial report, it's all about persistence. Don't just hope for the best. You must actively communicate with the airline, seeking updates about your lost luggage. The key is to contact them during non-peak hours when customer service isn't swamped. Always provide your full name, flight number, and reference number for efficient tracking. If regular methods fail, don't underestimate social media's power. A well-crafted tweet or Facebook post can trigger a quick response. Don't let your case fall by the wayside. Your persistent follow-ups can make all the difference. When all else fails, it's time to talk compensation. After reporting your missing suitcase and not finding it, you're left with one option: seeking reimbursement. It may seem complex, but it's manageable with preparation and patience. Start collecting all necessary documents: your flight ticket, boarding pass, and property irregularity report. Compile a detailed list of lost items with estimated values. If you have purchase evidence, that's a bonus. It helps evaluate your claim amount. But bear in mind, airlines have a cap on compensation for lost luggage, typically around $1,500, varying by airline. After gathering all this, submit your claim. Each airline has different processes, so investigate their website or customer service for guidance. Now it's time for patience. Resolving claims can take weeks or even months. Regular follow-ups are key to staying updated. Be aware that compensation may not always be cash. Airlines may offer travel vouchers or miles. Remember, while it can't replace your lost items, compensation can at least soften the blow. The best way to handle lost luggage? Avoid it entirely. Have your luggage marked with tags. It's not just a suggestion, but your first defense against loss. Consider incorporating luggage trackers as part of your precautionary measures. These portable devices can help track your luggage in real time, enhancing your chances of quick recovery in case of loss. Moreover, some credit cards offer complimentary lost luggage coverage that insures you for up to a certain amount per traveler, providing an additional backup plan. This can be highly beneficial as it may cover expenses that the airline won't, typically without any additional cost. Always pack a carry-on to be on the safe side, just in case. Make sure to include medications, vital documents, and a spare outfit. Don't forget about travel insurance. It offers reassurance and covers costs if your luggage goes missing, adding another layer of security. The more you prepare, the less you'll have to worry. With the right preparation, which now includes using luggage trackers and leveraging credit card insurance, you can ensure your travels are as smooth as possible. As we've explored today, lost and delayed luggage can be more than just an inconvenience. It can be a significant disruption to your travel plans. But with the right preparation and knowledge, you can tackle these challenges like a pro. Immediate action is key. Inform your airline and file a report. Follow-up is vital. Remember, your suitcase isn't lost, just misplaced. It's also good to be aware of compensation claims and your rights. A little patience can lead to reimbursement, but prevention is always then cure. Pack smartly and consider investing in luggage tracking devices. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to turn luggage mishaps into minor hiccups. Now, you might be asking, what are the best strategies to ensure my luggage always finds its way back to me? Stay tuned for our next video, where we reveal the top secret tips used by seasoned travelers. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, keep exploring and let lost luggage be a thing of the past.